I created this Boba Fett helmet and jetpack using recycled materials like cardboard, foam, and some other plastic materials. The helmet was created by using a balloon with cardboard wrapped around that and then paper mache over that. The jetpack was created with cardboard, plastic cups, also cardboard cones that used to hold thread. Hot glue was used to assemble cardboard and other pieces together. I used foam around the helmet visor and also on the rangefinder. That was hand-cut foam and then hot glued onto those areas. Paper mache was applied carefully with many layers. The more smooth it is, the better your paint will look when that time comes. In this image, you can see how the balloon helps shape a helmet, and the tape can also hold that together until completely dry. The fun part is actually painting. Acrylic paints are great to use because they're non-toxic, and you can use a brush of different sizes for certain areas. For the visor, I used one of those clear plastic document folders and then hot glued that in place. I think I used purple for my visor. Okay, once you have everything assembled, you can paint it any color you like, perhaps like Boba Fett or another Mandalorian character. You can use rope like I did and hot glue a way to strap it over your shoulders. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and let me know. You can also subscribe, and if you try to make one of these, let me know how it went.